JTK Continue Auditing Sample Robot Quick Guide. 1. Install. Understanding JTK SAP Audit Example Package. 1. Get JTK_sample. Zip file. Unzip JTK_sample. Zip. 2. You will see the JTK_sample folder. JAPP install. 1. Open JAP folder. 2. Unzip JS2F zip. Open JS2F folder. 3. Execute JAPP bat. 4. Enter OK. Browse your installed JAPP. And from the menu screen, select the JACL tab and click JAPP map function. 2. All JAPP installed list will display on the JAPP map list window. 2. Create and run your first audit project. Create a new project. 1. From the menu screen, select the File tab and click New Project function. 2. Enter project name. 3. Select module name. 4. Select process name. 5. Press Next. 6. Press Run ACL. Automatically run ACL. 1. Click Next. 2. Click Run ACL to run the project. 3. System will call the ACL window to run the data analytic automatically. 4. After finishing the analytic, the ACL project screen will close. 3. Browse your audit project. Browse Audit Report on App Manager. 1. From the menu screen, select the Report tab and click Browse Audit Report. 2. All audit report which are listed by audit date order will appear on the Browse Audit Report window. Double-click Report Record. 3. Browse Detail Report window will appear on the screen. Double-click Report Record will link to the Web Report Manager. Browse Working Paper on Report Manager. 1. Login JTK. Enter account password to the last report of JTK will appear on the web browser. 3. Click AP_unusual_invoice_no on Working Paper column. Working Paper browser will appear on the screen. Browse Working Paper. 1. Click Field Setting icon to justify your working paper format. 2. Unselected fields which you do not want to display on the report. 3. Change the size and data type to revise the report column format width. 4. Click OK. The new report will appear on the screen. Browse Dashboard. 1. Select column name on Classify on X account name. 2. Select subtotal on by X count. 3. Select the Classify list number on top X10. 4. Click Summary icon. Histogram chart will appear on the screen. 5. Click Pie icon. Pie chart will appear on the screen. 6. Click Bubble icon. bubble chart will appear on the screen. 7. Click radar icon. Radar chart will appear on the screen. 8. Click aster icon. Aster chart will appear on the screen. 9. Click any item of chart will drill down and list the detail. X enigma item. 10. Click cancel to clean the condition. 4. Install Audit Data Warehouse. Physical audit data install. 1. Open JTK_data folder within JTK_sample folder. 2. Unzip DWS0_SAP_basic. 3. Copy JTK_data DWS0_SAP_basic full folder to your hard disk. C. Data dictionary install. 1. Get the data dictionary file. 2. Click data warehouse greater than dictionary greater than sample DW. 3. Click bulk add. 4. Select SAP_table_list.csv and SAP_table_detail.csv. 5. Click verify and import. 6. Click SAP_sample DW. Install JADW. 1. Open JADW folder. 2. Unzip DWS0. 3. Execute JADW bat. 4. Click OK. 5. From the menu screen, select the JACL tab and click JADW map function. 6. All JADW installed list will display on the JADW map list window. 5. Create and run your first data project. Run your first data project. 1. From the menu screen, select the File tab and click New Project. Function. To enter project name. 3. Select the warehouse module name X SAP Data Warehouse. 4. Select process name X SAP Basic Data. 5. Press Next. 6. Select JACL programs which involve in this project. 7. Press Run ACL. 6. Browse your data report. Browse data report. 1. From the menu screen, select the Report tab and click Browse Data Report. 2. All data report which are listed by audit date order will appear on the Browse Data Report window. Double-click Report Record. 3. Browse Detail Report window will appear on the screen. Double-click Report Record will link to the Web Data Warehouse. Browse Working Paper on Data Warehouse. 1. Login JTK Enter account. password. 2. Click data warehouse greater than report on working paper column. Working paper browser will appear on the screen. 3. The last report of JTK will appear on the web browser. 4. Click data warehouse greater than map. The summary report of data import will appear on the screen.